Okay guys, we are at the center of this Al-Balad street, so as you can see it's beauty over there. It's a lot of iconic beauty over there. And you can see people is coming and attractions over there. People are coming all over there to visiting over here. We are going to is one of the old antique shop, and we will see how it looks like. Oh, it's a very antique collections over there. You can see this is all from old Jeddah collections. Who has quite a taste of antique products, so he will see there's a lot of collections over there, and it's worth a lot of things. And this is also a very unique and old things over here. Yeah. The cameras and the clock and the everything over here.
كم؟
150
وحدة؟
180 على حسب.
وين الاثنين البغدادية وين؟
هذه البغدادية.
وين؟ هذا الباب؟
اي.
هذا كله بغداديات الباب؟
اي.
It's for sale as well? For sale as well? Yes. People can buy stuff from there, and they can buy from their interest, and of course we can get the stuff whatever they want. Okay, let's go inside and see what's there. This is old cell phone and old tape, CDs, old cameras, recording equipments. You can see a lot of things there. Okay guys,